Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. Today's video is all about how to do the gel nail at home. So what I did, I went on Target website and I purchased this 10, was it 10? I think it's 10 piece nail kit. So I just want to show you what's in the box. So it comes with like a mini the light, the LED light. So this is the LED light. It's a small LED light. So you just put your hand in. So that, and it also comes with the adapter, the wire, and the pre-opened it. It comes with the wire, which is right here. So I think all you have to do is plug it in, and then you start prepping your nails. It also comes with the color. I picked a light pink color that I want to use today. On their website, it has different colors like red, white, I believe, different colors, but I went with a pink. It also comes with the clear transparent, which is the nail and the nail cleaner, and that comes with an alcohol rub. So to prep your nails. Over here, yes, I don't know what this is. Nail thing, something about nails. File comes with a mini file. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and do it. But this is the whole kit, guys. I can't say anything good or bad about it yet because I haven't tried it. Like I said, it's my first time, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Okay,